My name is Ben Maclean and I'm a photographer from London. Attempting photography at night is one of the hardest yet most rewarding when it comes together. For some creators, when the sun goes down, photography stops, but for others, the nighttime can enhance more creativity. Here, I got the chance to use the new Xiaomi phone Mi 10T Pro. It has an insane light painting feature, which can be found under the long exposure option, and is such an easy tool to use. When choosing a location, we had to find somewhere that was open and still, because when shooting with such a low shutter speed, any unwanted movement will have a huge impact on the final shot. It is crucial to carry along a tripod to maximise stability when taking photos with this feature. Having a feature like this at your fingertips can really help enhance your creative skills when taking on night photography. Shoot like a pro.